Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you my 2018 goal chart. So over the weekend, I was cleaning my house and I came across this chart I had done last year, which I did a video, and I did 4 goals that I wanted to achieve in 2017. 2 of them I did achieve, 2 of them I did not, but that's okay. I'm just going to keep working on this year's goals. So I wanted to talk about the goals that I had done. So buy a camera was one of my goals. Yes, I actually bought a new camera and I'm so excited and so happy with my new camera. My other goal was go to the gym twice a week. That did not pan out, but I feel like that tends to happen to a lot of people. Like I said, this year I am going to make sure that I not necessarily make a goal of having to go to the gym twice a week, but just making sure I do exercise at least once a week, or be more active. So this one I did not achieve this last year. The third goal was to gain 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. I unfortunately did not do that, but I'm not upset about that. I am so happy and appreciative for all the people who are subscribed to my channel. I think as of right now, I have a little bit over 1,100 subscribers, which is amazing, and I love each and one of you, and I'm so appreciative of you guys supporting my channel. So even though I did not achieve that goal, I am not upset because I'm just happy to be doing videos and appreciative for anybody who is watching. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and if you already are, thank you so much for watching my videos. And the very last goal I had for 2017 was buy a house. And I am in my new house. I've been living in my house for 5 months now, and I'm so happy. It's so nice and free, and it just feels so accomplished to have your own space. So I did 2 out of the 4 goals I did of last year, 2017. So with that said, I have made a new goal chart. It's a lot bigger than last year. I will probably just show you guys like this because it's really big to hold. So I'm just gonna show you it. So this is my 2018 goal chart. So this one I made a lot more goals than last year. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 goals rather than 4 from last year. So my first goal is get married and have a wedding. And I do apologize, my writing is so horrible. So yes, I do write it like a child. So my first goal is get married, have a wedding, which I do plan on doing August 11th. So until that happens, it's still a goal of mine. My second goal is renovate our basement. So as of right now in our basement, we do have a walkout, but the basement is not finished. So it's not that fun to be in. Right now we're using it as our workout area, but I would love to be able to hopefully finish our basement this year, or at least make it a little bit more livable so we can hang out there more often, especially with the summer soon. My third goal is LASIK eye surgery. So I've gone to the consultation already and they said I qualify for the surgery. So I think it's on March 9th. I have an appointment to go and get LASIK eye surgery. So I'm really excited but also very nervous, but I'm like, this has been my goal for a long time now, like for the past couple of years. So I'm super excited to get that done and be able to achieve that this year. My fourth goal is buy my cat a cat tree. I keep saying that. I've been saying it for like the past year and a half, maybe 2 years. I'm like, I need to get my cat a cat tree. He needs somewhere to hang out. I mean, he has a whole house to hang out, but it would just be nice for him to have a nice cat tree to hang out in. Put it near a window so we can look outside and just be happy, a happy cat. My fifth goal is gain 3,000 subs on YouTube. As I mentioned with my goals last year, that was my goal last year. I did not achieve it, but I'm okay with that. I would love to achieve it this year, and like I said, I'm just appreciative for all of you guys who do watch my videos and are subscribed to my channel. I'm gonna jump over to here. So one of my goals is lose 25 pounds by August. It is scribbled out here because I accidentally wrote loose. And then once I had already written it, I couldn't take it back. I don't know what I was thinking. I would like to lose 25 pounds apparently. But anyways, I scribbled it out and put lose. I do know how to spell, I promise. How many goals is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My 7th goal is to maybe take a weekend trip to Banff, Alberta. It's like an hour drive and it's my favorite place in the world. Well, not necessarily in the world, but it's just like my favorite place to go. I love going there, taking weekend trips. It's such a like nice environment and beautiful scenery to go to. So I'd love to make that a goal for this year. And my very last goal is start a family. So once we have our wedding in August, my fiance and I have talked about starting a family, so I'm super excited for that, and that is one of my biggest goals I want to achieve this year, is to at least start the family. I don't necessarily have to have a baby this year, but at least be pregnant this year. So those are my goals for this year. I just wanted to do this chart for you guys and kind of give you guys a visual kind of chart so that you guys can do it as well. If you guys have certain goals that you want to achieve this year but you're just not sure, like you just want to have a reminder, then this is like the perfect little thing that you can do. It's like fun to do. It's a nice like activity that you can do with your friends or your family, is just make a chart or a goal sheet and just write all your goals down on it. If you guys do end up doing it, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your guys' goal charts for this year, to see the goals that you want to achieve. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I did pick 2 winners. I have already let them know. I'm just waiting for one to answer me back. I will put your name, the winners, in the end of this video so that if you are watching and you're not sure if it was you, I'll let you guys know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon.